Hilik-hilik pa, Trixie. Sige, hilik pa more. What? Happy the little day. Mwah! Mwah! Oh. Ayaw mo nang ano? Ayaw mo nang maghilik? You don't want to snore anymore? You want to talk to me? Are you happy? Are you happy calling with me? Yes? Sure? Yes? Let them to hear your snore. Close your eyes. Ang asong ganyan kung matulog. Diba? Nakadata. Ano lang siya. Yan, humihilik siya, guys. She's very happy because I'm cuddling with her. Nakikipag-kiss din siya, oh. You're so happy. You scratched me yesterday. Okay. Hi everyone. Happy National Dog Day. Yeah. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Smile, Trixie. Smile. Yeah, they can hear your snoring. They can hear you snoring. Trixie, Trixie is talking to me. Look at, guys. Look at Trixie, guys. She's talking to me. Even she want to close her eyes. Bye, everyone. Thank you for watching Trixie Vlogzz. Yeah. Vlogging with Trixie and I. Bye guys. God bless.